Alright, so I bought these 10-foot tall string light poles. I dig into the grass off Amazon. We're going to try them out today. I guess these are the spikes that go on the grass. They look decent on Amazon. We're going to see if they're cheap or I don't know. They look like they're painted good, so we'll find out. Oh, there's the other part of it. So I'm guessing it goes like this. Yep. Alright, and you can add sections, they're modular. So I'm gonna put these up. See how it turns out. That's pretty sturdy, actually. That's pretty good. That's surprising. I thought it was going to be way more flimsy. That's really good. I like that a lot. Probably one more section and that'll be tall enough for me. Oh yeah. One more, I guess. I'm gonna need a ladder. Good thing I got one right there. Huh. Should I keep it that high? Yes. Should have grabbed a level. Make sure it's straight up and down. I could always adjust it. How many of these do I have? So I was gonna, well, there's solar powered string lights, but I was gonna come off the deck with them, but I guess I don't even have to do that. So that might have actually been dumb, me putting it right there. Should have just put it in every corner. I put it over there because I was thinking about coming off the deck with the string lights, but they're solar powered, so I don't even have to do that. What are, oh, these, I got another set. These screw into 4x4s. See, these are brackets. They screw into a 4x4 and they go up instead of these cap lights that don't even work anymore anyway. Oh, that's what I was gonna do. So I was gonna start. That's why I ordered both sets. These that screw into wood and these that drive into the dirt, because I was gonna come off the deck and go over. So that'll be perfect. Yeah, so I'm doing it right. So I'm just gonna put one in the middle, one on each corner, and then put 1, 2. So no, 1, 2, 3 light poles coming off of here, going straight over, so it'll light up all of that. Perfect. Yep. So I was thinking. Okay, that's good. I was thinking when I was ordering stuff, ridiculous stuff on Amazon. Extra piece for each one. So it looks like they give you way extra. And that's actually good because the bottom one looks like it's stripped out. I don't know if it's this piece or the bottom piece that is a piece that's stripped. So we're gonna find out in a second here. Oh, it's a bottom piece. The bottom piece. So it looks like I'm out of luck with that. So I'm gonna have to email this company. So I'm not gonna put it in the link, the affiliate link to buy this one, because obviously you just saw what happened right there. The bottom piece that has the spikes in it that goes into the dirt, that thread on that stripped out, and I wasn't even turning it that hard. So I'm not going to recommend this, but the other set looks really good that screws into the wood. So I don't see that being a problem with that one. turn the camera here. Get that one. This one didn't strip out, so that's good. Yeah, that's really shitty that the bottom piece that has the spikes in it is a piece that stripped out. If it was one of the segmented pieces, then I have an extra one for each one, so I could have just grabbed a different one, but nope. I mean, these started out good. They felt real sturdy going into the ground. And this one just stripped out too. Yeah, definitely don't buy these. Wow. Wow. So now I only have one good one, the middle one. That's too many on this one. So, I mean, these will be good temporarily, but, I mean, you can already see that the craftsmanship is just horrible. I mean, you could always drill a hole through the bottom one, just put a little bolt. Or the company can send me new ones, which they should do. So now where do I put this one? This one's in line with that pole on the deck. This one's in line with that pole. That one. So then we need to put one right here. That'll be perfect. Yep. Okay. I'm sweating here. I'm gonna have to get a level these out. This one's super crooked. Alright, I'll probably cut the video and come back when these are all done. Alright guys, so I got them all up. I ended up screwing these into the top of the 4x4s. Yeah, it looks pretty good. And like I was saying before, the 10-foot ones that are in the grass, stuck in the grass, they stripped the threads on them, stripped out on 2 out of the 4 of them. So I do not recommend buying those. I'll attach a link to those in the description so you can stay away from buying those. But these have deeper threads, so they're nice and strong. All 4 of these, not one stripped out at all. So I'll also put the link in the description for these ones, because they were pretty cheap. I think like 20 or 30 bucks, and they're strong and they didn't strip out, and they're working so far. But yeah, I can't wait for the nighttime to see what this looks like all lit up. I spaced them out evenly so that this pole, that one is straight with this one, and then, because before I had it one over here on this one, so that didn't work out. So now they're evenly spaced, and originally I was gonna make a run from that out too to light up the middle more, but I ran out. I almost had the perfect amount actually. I think there's only 1, 2 extra. And I don't know if I haven't decided if I want to leave them like that to light up the wood pile a little bit, to add wood to the fire pit, or if I want to string them up and double them up there. Probably just leave them like that so it lights up the wood pile a little bit more, so it works out actually. But yeah, don't buy these ones. I mean, 2 out of the 4 stripped out, so yeah, don't do it. But yeah, other than that, I mean, I got to email the company, ask for a refund or replacement, or they were cheap. It's not even worth returning them. It's not even worth my time, really. But if they send me new ones that don't strip out, but I don't recommend buying them. These I definitely recommend. They got 2 different style of brackets too. These style also. But yeah. Alright guys, over and out.